Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to worn-out blades. This can happen over time as the blades become dull or damaged. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage within the machine, potentially resulting in costly repairs. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a new blade assembly specifically for the TM31, and a soft cloth to clean the area. First, ensure the Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Carefully remove the mixing bowl from the base. You'll notice a locking mechanism. Gently twist it to release the bowl. Next, look for the blade assembly at the bottom of the bowl. This is the part that often fails and causes the grinding noise. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the blade assembly in place. Make sure to keep these screws safe as you will need them for the new assembly. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the blade assembly from the bowl. Take your new blade assembly and position it in the same spot as the old one, ensuring it fits securely. Reinsert the screws, tightening them firmly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new blades, wipe down the area with your soft cloth to remove any debris. Now, reattach the mixing bowl to the base, ensuring it clicks into place. Plug in your Thermomix and run a short test cycle to check that the new blades operate smoothly without any grinding noise. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced your blades. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly check the condition of your blades and avoid overloading your Thermomix with tough ingredients. Regular maintenance will help extend the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.